People think snoring in kids is normal, but actually it's one of the biggest red flags for airway issues, often signifying an obstruction like enlarged tonsils, adenoids, or underdeveloped jaws. When a child snores, it means they're working too hard just to breathe while they sleep. That extra effort can lower oxygen levels and affect brain growth, attention, and behavior. Healthy sleep should be completely silent. No snoring, no gasping, no tossing. If your child snores even just sometimes, it's worth looking deeper. The earlier we catch it, the easier it is to correct and guide proper growth.